going on, everyone? Today we're going to install the new tow mirrors, or at least try to. There's going to be a bunch of rewiring. They don't look like they hook up the same as my old tow mirrors, so we're going to have to figure out how to wire these. I don't think it should be too hard. I'm pretty decent at figuring that stuff out. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so I got one mirror mounted. I haven't done any of the wiring yet. I just kind of pulled the wire in. Everything's just disconnected right now. Got a big fat mess. We're gonna have to figure out how to rewire the handles, because the handles were wired to the old mirrors and now the wiring on these new mirrors aren't the same. So I haven't really been recording a ton because I don't really know exactly what I'm doing at the moment. I'm still trying to figure it all out. Let me show you the other side. Got the door panel removed on this side. Still have the old mirror. Essentially, all you do to remove these mirrors is remove these 3 nuts and the mirror comes off. I'm gonna have to cut all this wiring out. As you can see, the handles are wired up into the mirrors. So I'm gonna have to cut everything out like I did the other side. Then I can take the mirror off. This new mirror has this wiring harness. This connects to the switchbacks in the mirrors. These go to the turn signals up in the engine bay, as well as positive and negative to the battery. This doesn't plug into anything. This is just for the Bluetooth connection to change the colors on my phone. So I gotta figure out how to wire this in here and then get the wires through the firewall in the truck. There's 2 wires. These 2 wires go to the switchbacks right here. So I gotta figure out how to get those through the truck. They don't look like they're gonna be long enough, but I guess we'll see. So anyways, I'm gonna keep going. There's really not a whole lot to film. There's plenty of videos out there showing you how to install tow mirrors. I'm not going to do that. I will, once I get these installed, show you how I ended up wiring them. So if you need to know that in the future, you can figure that out. Or if you need to know in the future, you'll know how. So you don't have to figure it out like I am going to. So yeah, let me keep going on this, and then I'll pick back up once I have something to show you. Alright guys, so here is the wiring mess under my dash. Some of the wiring is for these lights that are up here, the light strips. Some of it is for the dash cam, and then all this hanging right here is for the tow mirrors. I've got some of it wired up. There is more over there. That's the controller. But yeah. Once I get everything wired up, I'll show you guys exactly how I wired it. Just in case you guys get these same mirrors from Primo Dynamic. If you get mirrors off like eBay or Boost Auto Parts, you're probably not going to have to wire them the same. This one requires a little extra wiring because of that harness right there. My other tow mirrors were not this hard to wire. So let me get this wrapped up, and then I'll show you guys everything. But the actual tow mirrors, they look good. The color match, I like them. So let me get this wired up, and then I'll show you guys what I did. Alright guys, I'm going to give you an update. I got it all wired the best I can. And they work for the most part. I just have one issue. Let me show you guys. Alright, so if you watch my door handle, you hit the unlock button, the blinkers flash. My old lights would do the same thing. Hit the blinker, nothing. Can't figure it out for the life of me. I have it wired the exact same way as my other lights as far as those parts. I think it has to do with that little wiring harness down there, maybe. I don't know. When I turn the truck on, they work. When I hit the blinkers, they work, but the key has to be in the ignition for some reason. The weird thing is these lights right here, the door lights, I have those wired to the exact same spot for power as the lights in there, and those don't work and those do. So it's got to be that wiring harness thing. There must be some kind of, I don't know, maybe there's like a safety built in that doesn't allow it to work unless there's power from the vehicle, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna leave it like that because I'm tired of messing with it. So let me show you guys. This is a mess. So if you look under here, there's that. Let me get a. So this right here, this bottom, or not the bottom one, but here's the bottom, the second from the bottom, there's a bunch of pins, and the top right corner pin is ground. The pin next to it is a constant 12 volt from the battery. The one next to that is your ignition, and then the one down from the ignition is your accessory. So I have everything that's getting power on the accessory, and then the ground obviously, and then there's something else on the constant, but that's not for these lights. That's how I did it. Honestly, if you don't really know what you're doing, I don't recommend messing with that stuff. I don't want you guys to burn your damn truck down. But I mean, these mirrors aren't really that hard to install. It's just a matter of getting all the wire on and figuring out the wiring. That's really all there is to it. I gotta clean all this up down here. I mean, as you can see, it's a giant mess of wires. So I'm gonna clean that up, and then I'll show you guys the lights or the mirrors working. Okay, I got the wiring cleaned up as best I can. I'll show you really quickly. So we got this mirror. Wiring goes down the door through here. And there's a bunch of wiring in here. Goes over to the driver's side. And when you guys see this, you're gonna be like, holy cow, there's a ton of wires. Wiring comes up under here, across. If you look under here, it looks all pretty clean, but you pull the carpet back and holy shit. But it's all right. It's all hidden. And it's good enough for me. I put this cover back on, the little junction box cover. I zip tied all the wires as best I can. You always want to make sure that you don't have any wires in the way of your pedals or behind the pedals that are going to get cut. So that is pretty much it. Let me finish cleaning up here, and then I will show you guys the lights and everything on the mirrors. Alright guys, probably a little hard to hear, trucks running, but got the app on my phone. I can scroll down, there's white. See it, it's like a rainbow color. Basically there's all kinds of different colors. The app on the phone, and then turn the blinker on. It's got the sequential switchback LED. Turn the blinker off. Back to color changing. So maybe one of these days I'll get a shot at night, but I got some other stuff I gotta take care of, so I'm not gonna have time to do it today. Let me shut this truck off real quick, it's too loud. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm still not sure why when you hit the unlock and lock, it doesn't, the lights don't come on. I'll have to look into that, maybe reach out to the guys I bought the lights from and see if they know. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, helps out the channel, and hit that subscribe button. I got more stuff coming for the truck. Just gotta find time to do it. So I'll see you guys in the next one.